Good morning, students. This is Math Session 9th Standard, Chapter 1, Set Language. In that, we are going to see properties of set operations. We are having three properties of set operations. In that, first one is commutative property, second one is associative property, third one is distributive property.
Let us see commutative property. For any two sets A and B, A union B equal to B union A. This is commutative property of union of sets. Next one is A intersection B equal to B intersection A. This is commutative property of intersection of two sets. See, this commutative property means we are able to compare only two sets. In higher secondary also we will study this. Okay, let us see the example. They were given two sets A equal to set of all B, E, F, G and B equal to set of all C, E, G, H. Then verify the commutative property of union of sets, intersection of sets. Here you have to verify both the properties. Let us see the solution. They were given two sets. First you have to write given, like two sets are written. Then find A union B. A union B means you have to write the elements in both the sets. Okay. Then B union A means you have to compare this B and A and write all the elements in it. So these two are equal. So from 1 and 2 we are having A union B equal to B union A. It is verified that union of sets is commutative. The second one is A intersection B. A intersection B means how to write the common elements in A and B. So we are getting E and G alone. Okay, like that B and A means for that also we will get E and G. So from 3 and 4 we get A intersection B equal to B intersection A. It is verified that intersection of sets is commutative. In your exams also they were asked like this. Next we are going to see associative property. Here associative property means we have to compare three sets. For any three sets A, B and C, A union B union C equal to A union B union C. See, the brackets only differs. Here we are comparing this A with B union C. Here we are comparing A union B with C. Like that for intersection, A intersection B intersection C equal to A intersection B intersection C. Let us see an example. Let A one set is given, B one set is given and C one set is given. Here we are going to verify the associative property of union of sets and associative property of intersection of sets. Yes, let us see the solution. Here first you have to find within the brackets. So for that first you have to find B union C. Here B union C means you have to compare and write all the elements in B and C. Then A union B union C. Then you have to compare this A set with this B union set and write all the elements in these two sets. That is marked as 1. Then for this right hand side, you have to find A union B at first. That is A set and B set. How to write the union elements. Then A union B with union C. That is compare A union B with this set C and write the common elements. Sorry, all the elements. And you have to mark that as the 2. have to verify whether these two are equal. Yes, so from 1 and 2, A union B union C equal to A union B union C. This is associative property of union among sets A, B and C. Next you have to see the intersection of sets. So for that, first bracket B intersection C, that is write the common elements in B and C. Then A intersection B intersection mean how to compare A set with B intersection C set and write the common elements here. Here 0 only the common element. Okay, here already we are marked 1 and 2, so here you have to mark 3. Next you have to find A intersection B, then compare A intersection B with intersection C. There too we will get 0 alone and you have to mark that as 4. Then from 3 and 4 we get A intersection B intersection C equal to A intersection B intersection C. This is associative property of intersection among the sets A, B and C. Next we are going to see distributive property. Here also we are going to compare the three sets. Here distributive means we will have both intersection and union in a single property. Let us see the first property. A intersection B union C. Here see, first one is intersection means second one is union. At that time you have to write this A intersection B union A intersection C. That is just like a multiplication. That is A intersection with B at first, then write this union and A intersection with C. Here first one is intersection sign, second one is union. So this is called intersection over union. Similarly for the next one, union over intersection. At that time we will have the union symbol at first, intersection symbol at the second. Here I have to write the RHS as A union B, then intersection A union C. That is here. That is the right answer. These two are the distributive properties, intersection over union and union over intersection. Let's see the example sum for this distributive property. Here if means given. Here given data are A equal to set of all 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. What about these numbers? Yes, these are even numbers. Then for the set, this is given in the form of set builder form. So you have to make this as the roster form at first. Here the reading is x such that x is a prime number and x less than 11. That is, you have to write the prime number which is less than 11 and C equal to set of all x such that x belongs to capital N. Here capital N represents the natural numbers. What are natural numbers? Yes, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, etc. Isn't it? And 5 less than or equal to x less than 9. That meaning is x value is lies between 5 and 9. Here equal to symbol is given, so you have to include this 5 but less than 9. Then verify A union B intersection C equal to A union B intersection A union C. Let us see the solution. First you have to write the given data. For that A set all are even numbers, we can directly write. But for that B set, it is in set builder form. You have to write in the roster form. Here x is the number less than 11 and x is a prime number. What are all the prime numbers which is less than 11? Yes, 2, 3, 5, 7. Prime numbers mean that numbers are not divisible by any other number. Okay, 2 is only the even prime number. 1 is neither prime nor composite number. So then prime numbers less than 11 are 2, 3, 5, 7. And C is the natural number which is lies between 5 and 9. Here less than or equal to 5. So you have to include 5, 6, 7 and 8. You should not write the 9. Here they were mentioned only the less than 9. Okay. Next you have to find the within brackets at first. So for that left hand side, first you have to find B intersection C. That is common elements in B and C. Then you have to write A union B intersection C. You have to compare A and B intersection C. You have to write all the elements in these two sets and mark that as 1. Next within the brackets for RHS A union B, A union C. You have to find separately A union B, A union C. Then you have to find the intersection for these two sets. That is how to write the common elements in both the sets. So we will get 0, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. How to mark that as 2. Then compare 1 and 2 whether these two are equal or not. Yes, we are getting two equal answers. So we have to write from 1 and 2. It is verified that A union B intersection C equal to A union B intersection A union C. Next we are going to see Venn diagram for distributive law. Okay, verify A intersection B union C equal to A intersection B union A intersection C. See, first you have to take the left hand side. Here B union C is in the bracket. So for that first you have to shade. B union C means you have to shade B circle and C circle completely. Then A intersection B union C means in this portion which is A circle. That portion alone I have to shade it here. And I have to mark this as the 1. For that RHS within the bracket A intersection B. A intersection B means the portions which is common in A circle and B circle alone. You should not see the C circle. How to shade this portion as A intersection B. And A intersection C means you have to see A circle and C circle and you have to shade the common portions in these two alone. At the time you should not see this B circle. Then A intersection B union A intersection C means how to shade what are the portions in these two, how to combinedly and shade this. Here this portion, these portions have to shade. This portion, these two portions will be shaded. So how to mark this as 2. Then compare 1 and 2. These two are equal. So from 1 and 2, A intersection B union C equal to A intersection B union A intersection C is verified.
Thank you, students.
Thanks for watching my video.